students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So students, today we are going to start exercise 5b. Before going to exercise 5b, let's understand laws of exponents. We have to understand some laws. There are 7 laws I have written here. We have to understand first these laws and then we will start exercise 5b. So look at the laws. First law. X raised to a multiplied by x raised to b equal to x raised to a plus b. If question is given in this form, we have to solve like this. Let us take an example. Look, if I write 2 to the power 3 multiply 2 to the power 4, you have to solve this question. So what you have to remember here, the base is same. What is base? 2 and 2. And what is the power? 3 and 4. So if your base is same, like x and x, the base is same. So what we will do? First write the base, and add the power. 3 plus 4 equals to 2 to the power 2 raised to 7. So that is the way of solution. First write the base, and then add the power. Okay. Next, if divide is given, if multiplication is given, then we add the power and write the base. If divide is given, like 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2, that is the question. So base is same, base should be same. Okay, base is same. So write here 2 and divide, subtract the power. 4 minus 2 equals to what? 2 to the 2 raised to 2. That is the answer. Now look at this. X minus a equal to 1 upon xa. So x minus a means if question is given 2 to the power minus 3. What is it? 2 to the power minus 3. So we can write this form in positive value, right? Power can be written in positive form like 2 upon 1 upon 2 raised to 3. So we can write 2 upon minus 3 as a denominator and there will be 1. So minus value goes downside and it becomes positive value. Okay. So 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Minus value we can write like this. Next, understand x raised to a raised to b. If we have two powers a and b together, okay, what we will do? We multiply the powers. How will you do this? Let's understand. Last question is 2 raised to 2 and raised to 3. Sorry, left is 4. Okay, this kind of questions come in your exam. So how will you solve like this? First check what is base 3. So write here first 3. Now what is the power? 2 and here is 4. So multiply these two power. 2 multiply 4. So 3 raised to 8. Okay. So that is the way to solve that kind of questions. Next, x raised to 0. So x raised to 0 always 1. If you have power 0 of any number, the answer should be 1. Like 2 raised to 0, what is the answer? 1. 5 raised to 0, answer is 1. So if you have power 0, exponent 0, the answer should be 1. Okay. Next, 6th example. A raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. So what is the difference between first and sixth property? Here the base is same but power was different. Here base is different but power is same. Exponent is same. So how will you solve this? First multiply these numbers. Like let us take an example. 2 power 3 multiplied by 4. 5 multiply 3. Here you can see that the exponent is same 3 and 3 but the base is different 2 and 5. How will you solve like this? These questions. So first multiply the base. 2 multiply 5 and write the power one time 3 only. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 10 raised to 3. So that is the way of solve this kind of questions. Okay. Now same case, base is different but power is same, but divide, we are doing divide. let's take example 2 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. We can write this question like 2 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, so that is the whole laws of exponents, and we will apply all these laws in exercise 5b. Okay, so let's start exercise 5b. Now students, look at the question number first. Simplify the following. Okay, you have to simplify these questions. So let's understand the question. 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 5. So here you can see that the base is same, 2 and 2. Or what we will do? First write the base 2 and add the power. 3 plus 5 equals to 5 plus 3 8. 2 raised to 8. That is the answer. Second question. A raised to 3, A raised to 4. The base is same. A here. First write the A and add the power. P plus 4. A raised to 7. Now look at the B question. 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. Base is same, power is also same. Okay, base is same, power is also same. So what you will do? Multiply here. So first write the base 3 upon 2. Okay. What is power 3 and 3? 3 plus 3. 3 upon 2 power 6. That is the answer. Now look here. Here also base is same. A here, A here, A here. If there is no power, we can write here 1. What we can write? 1. So look here. First write A and add the power 3 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. A raised to 8. Now last J question. Minus 3 raised to 5 divide. Here is what? Divide. Minus 3 raised to 2. Divide how to do? Base is same, the first write base. Minus 3. And we subtract the power. In divide, we subtract the power. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Minus 3 raised to 3. So that is all your solutions of question number first. A, C, D, G, J. Remaining questions are your homework. Now we will understand question number B. Second. Now let's look at the question number second. Simplify the following. 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. So यहाँ पे 2 times power given है. 3 भी है, 2 भी है. What we will do? First write the base 3 and multiply these two number. 3 multiply 2. But 2 to the power 3 to the 6. That is the answer. Now the solution. 3 raised to 4 raised to 2. Yeah. Again here is 2 power given. What we will do? First write the base 3 and multiply these numbers. 4 multiply 2. 3 raised to 6. That is the answer. Here we have solved question number C and this is the homework. Now we will understand question number third. Now students, look question number third. Simplify if A, B, X and Y are whole numbers. So X, A, B all is given in whole number. Okay? Now we have to solve these questions. Again, the same questions like second question. X is the base, A and B are two different powers, exponents. Okay? So what we will do? Multiply these exponents. First write X, A multiply B equals to X, A, B. That is the solution. Now look, X raised to 2 raised to A. So what we will do? X to multiply A. The answer is X raised to 2A. 2 multiply is 2A. Okay. Now question number C. X raised to A multiply by 3. So what we will do? First write X, then A multiply 3. A multiply 3 we can write X raised to 3A. X raised to 3A. Now question number I. A raised to X and A raised to Y. Here base is same and here is X and Y. What we will do? If base is same, so first we will write a. What do you write? A and add the base exponent x plus y. A raised to x, a raised to y. So we write a raised to x plus y. अगर base same है आपका तो पहले base लिखोगे and add the powers. Now J question. X raised to x divided by x raised to b. Here base is same. Base कितना x, इधर भी कितना x और division है. What we will do? Subtract the exponent. So first write x and then a minus b. That is the solution. So a, b, c, I, j, I have solved. Remaining questions is your homework. Now question number 4. Now students, look at the question number 4. Simplify. Here what we will do? Two numbers are given and the power of both the numbers are 3. Okay. So what we will do? First multiply these two numbers. 3 multiply 4 what? 3 4 the 12. And what is the power? Cube. 3. Okay. So 12 raised to 3 is the answer. So this number 2 multiply 3 raised to 2. What will you first multiply these two numbers? 2 3 are 6 raised to 2. Now next a multiply b raised to 3. The first multiply a multiply b is ab raised to 3. Now next 2 multiply 4 raised to 16. First multiply these two numbers. 2 4 are 8 raised to 16. So that is the way of solution. Question number 4. Now we will understand question number 5. Now students, look at the question number 5. Express as a single power. You have to express these equations as a single power. आपको power एक ही लेनी. Here you can see 2 power is given. Here is 2 power. Here is 2 power. Here is 2 power. So you have to represent this question, all the questions as a single power. How will you solve? First check what is the base. Base is A and base is B. So base is different when we have different base and same exponent. What we will do? First multiply the base. A multiply B and write the power. What is power? 3. Okay. What will the answer? A into the AB raised to 3. That is the solution. Now look at here. A raised to x multiply b raised to x. What is here? Base is different but exponent is same. So what do we do? Multiply the base. A multiply b, power only one time, x. Okay. A multiply b, ab raised to x. Now question number D. 8 raised to 9 multiply 8 raised to 10. How will you solve? Base is same but power is different. What do we write? First write the base and add the exponent. 9 plus 10. अगर आपका base same होता है so we have to add the powers exponent. If base is different then first multiply the base and only power write one time. Now here what is the answer? 9 plus 10, 19. So 8 raised to 19. That is the answer. 3 raised to 4 into a raised to 4. So what is same here? Power is same but base is different. First multiply the base. 3 multiply a of power 4. 3 multiply a, 3a raised to 4. So that is the solution. Question number F. Some more question I am taking. Like question number F. Question number you can look at the question number G also. Question number G is 3 raised to a into 4 raised to a. So what is here? Power is same but base is different. First multiply the base. 3 multiply 4 and 4 is right one time. 3 4 is 12 raised to a. That is the solution. So now remaining questions is your homework. Now we will understand question number 6.